Hi guys, if you want faster and more stable internet connection in your room where Wi-Fi struggles, enabling the MoCA on Xfinity is one of the best solutions because it uses your home's existing coax cable wiring to deliver the near Ethernet performance. So in this guide, you are going to learn how you can properly enable the MoCA, configure your Xfinity gateway, and even avoid the common splitter and the signal problems that stop the setup from working. So first of all, you need to check your Xfinity X5 gateway that you have. Now, most of the newer models like XB6 or XB7 or XB8 already include the built-in MoCA support. So if you are using your own modem instead of the Xfinity gateway, you will usually need separate MoCA adapters on both the ends of the coax connection. Now, after defining so, you need to enable MoCA inside the gateway settings. For that, you need to open your browser. Here in the search bar, you just have to simply search for 10.0.0.0.1, and this is going to redirect you on the Xfinity gateway where you need to simply just log in into your account. So when you log in into your account, you just have to open your admin panel. Over here inside the admin panel, you just have to look for the option of connection. Inside the connection, you are going to see the MoCA enabled. So basically inside it, you just have to simply enable the MoCA option, and some of the gateways restart automatically after enabling this particular feature. So that's how you can do it. Thank you.